Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the bolt is cross-threaded. Look for wobble and uneven seating so you know why it resists. Next, remove dirt and corrosion with a brush and solvent because clean threads let tools bite properly. Apply penetrating oil and let it soak. This weakens rust bonds. While you wait, set up tools, extractor sizes, impact driver or wrench, and a heat source for later. Once done, position the vehicle or part so you can work straight on the fastener without awkward angles. You now move to extraction. Choose an extractor one size down so it bites the damaged head. This is how it grips where sockets fail. If the bolt is seized, apply focused heat to the surrounding metal, about 300 to 400 degrees, to expand the hole and break the bond. Avoid direct flame on seals. Tap the extractor into the bolt to set it, then use a controlled impact or steady wrench torque to turn counterclockwise. Keep short bursts and steady pressure to avoid snapping the extractor. You finish by cleaning the hole and assessing damage. If the extractor or bolt breaks, drill the center out using progressively larger bits. This preserves the surrounding metal. Once removed, chase or retap the threads to restore fit. Use cutting oil and the correct tap size so the new bolt seats squarely. Install a replacement bolt with anti-seize and torque to the specified value to prevent recurrence. If alignment still binds, check hole face and mating part for deformation. Realign before final tightening to avoid future cross-threading.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.